When we're talking about generating leads, specifically building an email list, the old tried and true method of giving away something of value for free in exchange for an email list or in exchange for an email to build an email list still works. With the powerful combination of ChatGPT, PLR, and free traffic, you can do this very simply starting right now. Check this out. I have some PLR. You can see that it came with a cover, and most importantly, it came with a table of contents to generate an original idea or concept with the help of ChatGPT. But let's go back to the cover real quick to cover that and another tool. So we have a cover. If we want to create a new cover, we can simply go to Canva and search for book cover templates. Now, I typically like to take a look at the inspirational book covers. Covers like this or this one usually work well for almost anything. But if you go back specifically, like when we're talking about affiliate marketing or giving away mindset type books, lots of times people like to go or see covers in sort of this genre or niche inside of business. But don't leave yourself open to the possibilities of just searching everything that they have here inside of Canva to build a quality book cover that resonates with your message and your brand. In this case, I simply went simple and I used black and yellow and I changed the cover here. You can see I just kept the growth mindset title, but I changed the tagline or the subheadline, how to easily prime your mind for success in life and business, versus what it says here, how to easily prime your mind to be successful in life and business. As you can see, it's very subtle. And then I changed this to just a light bulb, meaning you have a light bulb moment. And that's my thought process on that. And it's just a simple, quick note. We're talking about PLR to rebrand it, to create something unique, something that follows your branding and your message. Now here in this case, this is PLR. We could take all this. A lot of people are going to tell you, or a lot of videos you probably already watched will say to just copy all this and have them rewrite it by simply copying here and pasting it over into ChatGPT. What I'm going to do is copy and paste, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste all of this as far as the content that I want to sort of structure, use the same structure, but totally just strip it, flip it, and rewrite it over inside of ChatGPT. And of course, ChatGPT is about setting the context. So you want to start off with setting the context and let ChatGPT, wow, that's a mouthful. Let ChatGPT know what you want to get out of it. So the input that you're going to give it is going to set the context. And at this point, I'm just going to paste in that information that I got from the outline or the table of contents, in that case, of the PLR, and then I'm going to let it do its thing. As you can see, it already blasted past there, and it said, okay, title, believe in yourself, prime your mind for success. That's actually way better, prime your mind for success. You can see I could already copy that, and I could go back to my book, and I could simply add that here, growth mindset, prime your mind for success, or I could easily just change the title of the book here and make it prime your mind for success, and then go back here and say, or use believe in yourself, or go back to Canva and use the one that I used, how to easily prime your mind for success in life and business. And again, just change this. And you can see how simple that is and how quick that is to change this and to really start thinking about how can I make something unique that quick that I'm going to give away that really defines my message, or make sure that it stays on point with my message and my thought process and the message that I want to give out as part of my brand. So in this case, prime your mind for success, how to easily prime your mind for success in life and business. There I've used prime your mind a couple different times, but again, you can see how quick this is going to go. And easily what I can do here is read this introduction, read this section, or the first section, identifying your limited beliefs, the power of affirmations, overcoming obstacles, the 90-90-1 rule. So it's going to dive into that. And then I have a conclusion here, which is basically believe in yourself. Now, as far as the 90-91 rule, if I don't know anything about that, I can simply go back to my PLR, scroll down to the section that has the 90-91 rule, and we can see here that this is talking about the 90-91 rule created by leadership expert Robin Sharma. And I could simply take that back over to ChatGPT. Here, give ChatGPT some instructions, expand section 4, and start with, have you ever heard of the 90-91 rule created by leadership expert Robin Sharma? And it's going to write and start creating content that I can then use. Of course, here's what's going to happen for most folks. Most folks are simply going to do this. They're going to copy, and then they're going to be like, okay, let me go back, and then let me just get rid of what they wrote. And what I'll do here is I'm going to shortcut the shortcut. I'm going to paste that in there, and right there, now I have a brand new lead magnet. That's all good and fine and dandy, but the thing is, what you need to do is you really need to think about going to the next level. Spend some time and understand that this message is your message. This message, this lead magnet you're giving away in exchange for an email or a lead is the first time they're going to see your content. So you need to take this seriously and put in a little more effort, focus, and really drive home the idea and the concept here that you have found a shortcut. ChatGPT, PLR, utilizing Canva to create this cover. These are all shortcuts into the final end game of creating something unique and also something of high value and high quality that when your leads that you're going to be generating, in this case, if we're thinking about free traffic, either from a YouTube channel or our blog, when we create content that people read and then they want to dive deeper into what it is or the problem that we've identified and they want to find the solution that we're offering up, and they grab our lead magnet in exchange for that email. When they open this up, they're going to hear your voice. They're going to see your message and understand how powerful it is and the fact that you are an expert and you are guiding them towards the direction they need to be headed, which is clicking on your affiliate link in the case if you're an affiliate marketer watching this, or if you have your own product, clicking on that link or buying your product or buying that affiliate offer and you earning a commission and you establishing the fact that you are an expert and you are here to help them. And that is the reason that you put them on your list, so you can definitely help them with the problem they have and offering up more solutions. I'm super excited to keep making these videos with ChatGPT and PLR and talking about Canva and how you can do the technical things or use the tactics to create, but also the high level concepts of getting your mind right, finding that focus, and really diving in and building your own profitable online business. And if you'd like to know more about traffic and the way that I do that and where I start, or my thought process on traffic and how important it is as the foundation of building your own online business, check out the video you see on the screen right now. I look forward to seeing that video. Thanks for watching this one. And if it's helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll talk to you later.